So here we go. Tonight we're going to be covering the mindset. There will be homework, and I make no apology for that, for the reasons that I'm going on to explain later on. But you know, what I will say at this stage is you'll get out of this process what you're willing to put into it. The one rule that I've got for the next 8 weeks in this group, and in this group only, is to be positive. On a scale of 1 to 10, how positive do you feel about your business, your goals and your objectives right now? Here we go, SMART objectives. So we're talking about goals, and you know, for me a goal needs to be smart. Start behaving like a professional, acting like a professional, and you'll start to get the rewards and the respect of a cake professional. You must take action to achieve goals, and you need a plan. If you want to achieve something in business or anything, you've got to change your mindset. Do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always got. Isn't that so true? So this is where it all starts to link up. If you do the positive things regularly, you'll get the rewards. Keep trying to motivate yourself. The motivation will push you on. So next week, we're going to be talking about mojo, we're going to be talking about time management, and we're going to be talking about the business plan.